Hi, welcome back to another video. We are practicing a few forward bends today. Let's learn how to practice forward bends the right way, which will also help you in your day-to-day life. Let's start. The first pose we are practicing is Padottanasana. Stand with feet together, hands by the sides. Breathe in, lengthen your spine. Push your tail backwards. Bring your chest forward. Place the hands by the sides of the feet. Again, lengthen your spine a little. Place your chest to your thighs. Slowly take your head down, bringing the tail a little higher. Go close to your legs. Relax your shoulders. Take 5 deep breaths. Breathe in. Same way, lengthen the spine. Breathe out and return to the starting position. If you are a beginner and you cannot go deeper into the pose, keep your feet a little apart. Bend the knees a little. Push your tail backwards. Bring your chest forward. Chin up. Look to the front. Place your hands by the sides. It's okay if you cannot place your palms on the floor. You can keep just the fingertips. Breathe out. Rest your chest on your thighs. Lengthen your spine. Keep the spine straight. Go down. And if you can, try and straighten your legs from here. Bring the tail up. Pull the shoulders upwards. Try and go closer to your legs. Maintain the pose. And slowly, when you come up, stretch yourself up again. Chin up, chest up. Slowly come back to the starting position. The most common mistake in Padottanasana is that we bend like this. This is not the right way. Instead, we should be doing like this. The next pose we are practicing is Paschimottanasana. Sit with legs straight in front of you, spine straight, shoulders pulled back. Sit on your sit bones. Shift your weight backwards. When you feel your bones beneath you, that is the right position where you should be sitting. The most common mistake people make is that they sit like this. Your legs are not activated. You're sitting on the hip muscles, which is not the right way. If you do a forward bend from here, you'll do it like this, which won't work. Keep the hands here. Bring one leg back at a time, then the other. Pull yourself backwards till the time you feel your bones beneath you. Sit on your sit bones. Your tail is a little protruded to the back. Shoulders relaxed. Breathe in. Hook your big toes. Flex your toes. Breathe in. Bring the chest to your thighs. Look in the front. Relax your shoulders and then come down. Hold the position for a few breaths. Don't hunch your back. Don't pull your head down. Stretch your spine and take your chest. Keep looking in the front. When your chest touches your thighs, then you take your head lightly inside. Breathe in. Stretch your arms. Look in the front and relax. As a beginner, you would find it difficult to do this complete forward fold with both the legs together. What you can do instead is bend one knee, place the heel close to your pelvis, stretch the other leg, keeping the spine straight, shift yourself a little backwards, don't sit on your muscle, sit on your sit bones. Breathe in, you can hold your foot from the side. Always remember not to keep your leg like this, flex your foot. Pull the toes towards yourself, hold your foot from the side, bend the elbows and try and take your chest and chin to your leg. Relax your spine. Same way, don't go like this. Take your chest like this. This is Janushirshasana. When you become good at it, you can take this hand like this and grab the other hand, bend the elbows. This is the final position. Relax your shoulders, don't hunch, and stretch. Breathe in, look in the front, stretching your spine, and slowly come back. Repeat on the other leg. The next pose we are practicing is Upavishtakonasana A, wide-legged forward fold. Sit with straight legs. Open the legs as wide as you can. Shift your tail back. Straighten your spine. Breathe in. Hold your feet from the sides. Flex your feet. Push your knees down. Take your chest and chin to the floor. Breathe out. Keep breathing. Hold the position for a few breaths. Keep the spine straight. Do not bend like this. Bring your chest and chin to the floor. If you find it challenging to go deep into the pose, as a beginner, you can start with bent knees. You can hold your feet from the sides with bent knees. Take your chest and then slowly try and straighten your legs. Like this. Breathe in, stretch, and return to the starting position.